Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Now today's celebration, International Day of Play. Ready to rediscover the joy of play? Join us for the International Day of Play as we explore the power of play in all ages. Stay till the end to see how it can transform your life. Theme: embracing joy, connection, and community. On this International Day of Play, we celebrate the power of play in shaping communities and creating a more inclusive future. Play is vital for all ages, fostering creativity, problem-solving, and social cohesion. It strengthens relationships, promotes well-being, and brings people together, helping break down barriers. Whether through games, sports, or shared activities, play builds a connected, resilient world. On this day, we recognize how play nurtures nation building by fostering unity and joy. The role of play in society and nation building. Play is central to healthy societies and nation building. It teaches empathy, cooperation, and conflict resolution. Communities that prioritize play create environments where individuals connect, collaborate, and exchange ideas. Play also encourages creativity and innovation, inspiring solutions to societal challenges. It reminds us of the importance of inclusivity, where everyone has the opportunity to contribute. Today, we celebrate how play strengthens nations through connection, respect, and joy. Just a quick break. Please, if you are enjoying it, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. Welcome back. Testimonies of transformation. How play is changing lives. Testimony 1. Clara, a community volunteer who creates safe spaces for play. Growing up in a neighborhood with limited resources, I knew how important it was to have a space where kids could just be kids. After volunteering to organize local playgroups, I saw firsthand how important play is in developing both social skills and mental health. I witnessed children from different backgrounds coming together, making new friends, and learning to solve problems as a team. Play is not just about fun, it's about building strong relationships that last. Testimony 2. Jake, a youth counselor who uses play to heal trauma. As a youth counselor working with at-risk teens, I've seen how powerful play can be in helping young people heal from trauma. Whether it's through sports, arts, or simple games, play offers a way to express emotions that words cannot. One of my clients shared how a group game helped him reconnect with his peers and rebuild trust. That moment was transformative for him, showing me that play can be a pathway to resilience and recovery. To all who advocate for play, your role is vital. To everyone who promotes play as a means of connection, healing, and growth, thank you for your invaluable work. Your efforts are helping to create a world where individuals from all walks of life can come together, learn from each other, and build the foundations for a brighter future. Whether through organizing community events, working with children, or simply embracing play as a tool for connection, you are creating spaces where joy and understanding can flourish. Today, on International Day of Play, we honor your dedication to fostering joy and connection in every community you serve. If you haven't engaged in the power of play yet, now is the time. Play is for all ages, offering opportunities to connect, learn, and grow. Whether through sports or casual games, play helps build inclusive communities where empathy and collaboration thrive. Happy International Day of Play. Let's celebrate the joy, connection, and community that come from playing together. Let's raise our glasses to celebrate the unsung heroes of play. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings. Titus Agba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, the 12th of June, World Day Against Child Labor. The 13th of June, International Albinism Awareness Day. The 14th of June, World Blood Donor Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.